High up exclusive. Freestyle shit off the dome. Legendary shit. These niggas don't believe us. I come through finesse and shit. He mad that I finesse this bitch. I'm smoked out, my blunt is lit. I'm sipping drink, cup full of gin. I told the coach to put me in, cause I hate losing, I just win. So where should I begin? I drop the top, dreads in the wind. I'm cruising on your block, came for the guap and your girlfriend. And nigga, it won't stop, I'm on the top, ain't gotta have no friends. You will just get shot with sniper rifles. I got hitmans and I'm just getting hot. I burn a nigga like a suntan. The whole world against me, I'm an army, but I'm one man. So if you ever touch me, razor blades, I'ma cut your hand. I gotta sit him down, cause I swear these dudes don't understand. I keep a 4 pound, I lay him down, now he hella dead. I bust your head, a pilgrim couldn't touch my bread. Fuck the feds, I told my trap niggas break a leg, good luck. Fuck it, still whip it, cook it up. It's funny how they wanna eat, but they ain't cook with us. Look at us, I heard you biting dust. Before I ever walk, man, I'm gon' catch the bus. Before I ever catch the bus, your bitch gon' pick me up. Before I drop your bitch off, I bet she lick me up. I'm rolling sticky stuff while niggas plotting, trying to hit me up, cause they can't sit with us. We counting up, I'm getting paper cuts that bring me out the bottle. Regular niggas get the plastic cup. So why you acting tough? Your chest out, nigga, you ain't buck. Bring the vest out and text out, and nigga, you get tough. So send that text out and tell your niggas that they better run. I let your girl know that I'm finna make her man crush. So nigga, keep it real, or you will get your head bust.